Tired of wondering where your time goes? Let's unlock the secrets to supercharging your productivity with Clockify. Clockify is a completely free and powerful time tracking tool that can help you understand exactly how you're spending your time, whether you're a freelancer, a small business, or a large organization. First, head over to Clockify and sign up for a free account. It's quick and easy. You can even sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see the timer. This is where the magic begins. Just type in what you're working on in the "What are you working on?" field and hit the play button to start the timer. Clockify will automatically track the time you spend on each task. Forgot to start the timer? No problem. You can also manually add time entries by clicking on the plus button. Enter the project, description, start time, and end time to accurately log your work. To organize your time, create projects. Click on projects in the left sidebar. Then the new project button. Give your project a name, choose a client, and set a color for easy identification. This will help you track time spent on specific client work. Now for the powerful stuff: reporting. Go to the reports section to visualize your time tracking data. You can see where your time is going, identify time-wasting activities, and make data-driven decisions to improve your efficiency. Customize the date range. Filter by project or user and export professional time tracking reports in PDF, CSV, or Excel. Clockify also excels at team collaboration. Invite your team members, assign them to projects, and track their individual and collective time. This is great for project management, billing, and payroll. And there you have it, a quick tour of Clockify. By using its timers, project features, reporting tools, and team collaboration capabilities, you'll have everything you need to master your time and skyrocket your productivity. Start tracking today.